Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate client feedback with SurveyMonkey, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the SurveyMonkey website. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Survey button. Choose a template or start from scratch depending on your needs. If you select a template, browse through the available options and click on one that fits your purpose. After selecting a template, customize the questions to match your client feedback requirements. Make sure to include a mix of open-ended and multiple-choice questions for comprehensive feedback. Adjust the wording and order of questions as necessary. Once your survey is complete, click on the Send button to proceed to the distribution options. Here, you can choose to send the survey via email, share a link, or embed it on your website. Select the email option if you plan to send it directly to clients. Input the email addresses of the clients you want to survey. You can also personalize the email message to make it more engaging. If using a link, copy the provided URL for distribution through your preferred channels. Next, navigate to the Collect Responses section. Set a deadline for responses if necessary, to encourage timely feedback. Consider enabling anonymous responses if you want clients to feel more comfortable sharing their thoughts. After setting all collection preferences, click on Save to finalize your options. Monitor the responses as they come in through the SurveyMonkey dashboard. Once you have gathered enough feedback, analyze the results using the built-in tools provided by SurveyMonkey. Look for trends and common themes in the feedback received. Finally, use the insights gathered to inform your business decisions and improve your client services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.